adapted.
We're gonna try wheat today. I think it's gonna be too wet, but at least we're gonna get all the equipment ready to rock and roll, so when it is dry enough, we can roll. We might be surprised. It could be dry enough, but apparently Danielle's really excited.
Yay.
We gotta fill up fuel, put DEF in, get all that good stuff ready to go before we head to the field.
Scuba-licious definition, making boys go loco. Okay, so here we are.
We're gonna see how many tries it takes through to get it hooked up. My bet is 5. You could make me a liar.
He made me a liar. Only one time. Just one.
Happening currently. Now.
I knew you were taking bets on how many times it was gonna take me.
I said 5.
One! Now, gotta calibrate the header, then we're gonna try it.
Yay, yay! Anyway, so we are about to calibrate. Got everything going. We went to town. And moisture is 15.2, so it's been about an hour now. So we're gonna go ahead and get it going. Wheat harvest has began. Okay, we just got everything calibrated and now we're ready to go. So moisture has went down a bunch and here we go. So Drew almost has a full load. Some wheat that's down, so that's no good. So this power line we have going on right here, apparently has gotten really low, and we can barely get the combine through. So we had to like cut across the field and like do these ridiculous inrows now. So here we go.
Got a few loads cut today, which I'm really excited about, starting at 4 o'clock. Moisture still 14.5, and we want to get it to about 13.5, but want to go ahead and get everything calibrated. Want to calibrate the combine, the grain cart, get all that stuff done. We've got everything calibrated now, so tomorrow when we're able to start, we can rock and roll without having to really slow down to calibrate. Yeah, day 1 of wheat harvest is in the books.
Anyway, day dos. Look at me learning some Spanish. Oh, I mean, I've been ready to go for hours now.
Get your radio.
I haven't walked out the back door yet.
You gotta walk up the front to get to your tractor.
I'm gonna need Gatorade. So, to start the day, you need your Gatorade. But most importantly, the snack bag. That's right. Danny D always has the snacks. Here we go. So, what just got loaded? Waiting on Drew to bring me some more. The proper thing to do is you have your snacks and Netflix. Oh yeah. So, I don't know if you can tell, but almost this entire field of wheat is down, so it has taken us a lot longer on this one field. So, here we are.
We're asking Drew, why does the wheat go down? Well, a couple things. One is if you have some bad weather, it'll blow it down, which a lot of that's the case here because it's laid one way. Now the areas where it's not laid one way, that's where the sprayer overlapped with nitrogen a little bit and weighed it down, and that falls over. they're gonna bring over that white truck too, just to make sure we got enough room to hold all this. And it's gonna take me till Christmas to get it all cut. Finally up and running today. We've had all sorts of fun stuff happen. We had a semi truck go down on us. Been operating one semi truck. We've had the combine throw a few fits on us, broke a chain, and just normal harvest stuff that's going to happen. But man, I'm ready to get a consistent day of harvest here. We'll see what we can do. We got us a special guest in the car today, a rare Scuba Steve sighting. Scuba! Hey Scooby, you got your tarp on? All right, the tarp is off now. You know, it's just really hard to find good help these days. To clarify, Scuba Steve is usually the cart driver. Danielle is not in the mum pad very much right now, or he lets Danielle get her tractor time in. But it is pretty rare that we get Scooby out in the wheat field. And he forgets to unroll his tarp. And we almost made a really big mess. That's okay, we're rolling today. And of course, Scooby is like, well, why did Danielle roll the tarp? I was like, well, if you're the cart man, you gotta check on that. Sorry, Danny D. Scooby's blaming this one on you. I know that's a shock.
Do dangerous stuff to get this film. Not really dangerous. You have a nice view up here though.
And here he is driving all up on me. Got it. Put this up there.
Really?
Scuba, do you have any wise words?
Go away.
Everybody's a little grumpy here tonight at Snyder Farms. Some more than others.
Scooby thought he was going to be able to go home, but it wasn't time to go home yet.
That old retired life. Oh, but look at that sunset though. Thanks for watching this week, guys. I hope that you all enjoyed watching some of our wheat harvest footage. If you want to keep up and not miss a video every week, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and that way it'll let you know every time we put out a new video. See y'all next week. Bye. Mum ranching ain't easy, but as sure as Scuba Steve's probably grumpy, somebody's got to do it.
To win, I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6th sense for imposters, so now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game.